Are you planning to explore Buenos Aires, but don't want to drag your luggage around all day? Radical Storage offers a quick and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Buenos Aires using Radical Storage, a reliable platform that partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes. This ensures that your luggage is safe and fully insured while you roam the city. To avoid phishing sites and access the official Radical Storage website, simply use the secure link provided in the video description. Once you're on the site, finding a luggage storage point in Buenos Aires is simple. Just type Buenos Aires into the search bar and browse a list of convenient storage locations across the city. Choose a spot near key tourist attractions or transportation hubs. Next, select the drop-off and pick-up times that suit your schedule and proceed to secure payment. Radical Storage ensures all transactions are safe, so you can book with confidence. After booking, you'll receive a confirmation email with a reference number and directions to your chosen luggage storage point. When you arrive, present the reference to the staff, and they will safely store your bags for you. And that's it. Enjoy your day in Buenos Aires, free of luggage, and knowing your belongings are secure with Radical Storage. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.